So I'll tell you what just got me here. Swimming home. That did. An overheated boat that couldn't turn and costed me $30,000. Welcome to Stormworks Hardcore. I'm trying to get there to do a rescue mission because I gotta tow that home. There's no way I'm leaving $30,000 just sitting there. I can't teleport in the game. Really nice if I could. There's no cheat mode. It's hardcore. Whee! I'm actually really sad right now, as that slowly but surely sinks. Because I spent, what, 2.5 episodes working on it? And I only caught one fish. His name is Sammy, if you haven't seen him. He's a salmon. I named him before I knew he was a salmon, which I count as a win. So, I was like, oh, good. I was thinking about where I would attach the rope anchors, but then I remembered. Whew. So, the rope anchors, there is actually winches on the back, which is only for looks, but you can still attach stuff to winches. So, I might have a chance of towing that thing home. I just don't know what boat I could make with $5,000. I could make a decent boat. Just the question is, would it tow that heavy thing? You can still see my little crate floating. I really want to just press home and no clip, but you can't no clip. Hardcore. It's like, I like hardcore, but I don't. Because it's like, especially in Stormworks, there's no save files. Heck, I really just would have saved, and went back and fixed the stuff. The heck? My power just went out for a single second. What? And so my first thing is, yeah, I'd be negative 20,000. And if we go to presets, the starter boat, I'd still be in the negatives. I only have $12,000 to do this. Which, to be honest, landing floats, that's what's gonna save me here. Like, $50 each, I mean, hey, pretty good bang for your buck. We're still gonna do a little bow here. I'd like to do a little bow. Or, bam, Shazam. I feel like today's episode is just gone wrong already. In fact, I did a little small episode and I scrapped it because it wasn't going well. So I was doing some off-camera fishing, and I was like, I'm gonna get this on camera. So, this is a nice bow shape. So, and to be honest, I'm gonna have the engine sticking out on the back. I'm just gonna do one single layer. That's literally how quick I'm trying to make this. Not gonna need an icebreaker. That'd just be wasting on design. And things cost money in this mode, so I can't just go crazy. Actually, I'm gonna have to do a very small ballast. So right here, I guess, will be my engine compartment, which is decent size. I just want to play Ravenfield after this. I'm not feeling playing this anymore. I'm not gonna stop until I rescue this though, because this is like, I've already busted $100. Bam, 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 ba ba bing. That is hollow, yes it is. Now I can do that. And one giant big ballast is completed. Quest 1 complete. Now quest 2, which is to get engine. Now I could do this, which is $1,000, or I could do this. I am doing this. I'm not wasting $1,000. I say it's wasting. Some people are like, what do you mean wasting? I only have $12,000 for this build, which seems like a lot until you do it yourself. So we're going to need a radiator. Let's go do a cheap one. Exhaust, fluid exhaust, and tank, medium tank and a small tank, some gear boxes, and yeah, let's get on this engine. It's going to be a very basic engine design. You're going to leave some breathing room though. So we're going to have to turn this off actually. This side is exhaust and this side is fuel. Fuel is going to be a medium tank that will fit snug like a bug right here. Just got to close off that. And put down a tank of diesel. Except this actually needs to be one more back. So I am going to act like this was never here. And actually move it 2 more back to make it comfy. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. So now, fuel, and bam, and just make sure it's diesel. Yes, it is. I already spent $2,000. It isn't going well. And now we're going to use an enclosed pipe, which costs the same amount, which is nice for when you want to build without getting charged $1 million for a small detail. I'm gonna finish this up. Okay, I figured I'd check back in with you guys. It's been a very long time actually, and just about to add in the battery, and then I'll be basically finished. And this should be pretty even too. So, let's turn off this real quick. And bada bing, bada boom, get the battery. And let's plug this on. Actually, we can do 2 dials. Right here. So this will be charge and this will be fuel. Charge. 0 out of 100. Fuel out of... I just want to get the exact number. .9. There we go. Now, we're almost finished. We just need some rope. And hopefully we can save this boat. I'm gonna put 4 rope on it, just to be safe. But 2 would be good, but better to be safe than sorry. We're gonna put 4 pieces of rope on this thing. Oh, I forgot. Didn't, do any electric. I also didn't turn on the air pump. Or code the air pump. But everything else, I mean, it's all figured out. So this hopefully floats, I say, as it sinks to the bottom of the ocean. So let's do a handy dandy landing floats. I already do tires. I think those help. Unless we're just going to go into the core, which, no, here it is, small tires. There's no way we can fit large tires on this. Bam, bam, no, bam. Bam, bam. Bam. That probably doesn't help at all. Nope. So on the back we're going to do landing float. Which, let's just turn this on real quick. Float! Float. Oat. I can spell today. And now it's back heavy and flips. So will we fix that problem with fire? If anyone gets that reference, spam in the comments what that is from. Best. It's a show. It also is a movie. That's a little hint there. Oh my gosh, you're just flipping towards the back. Oh, that's because it's more buoyant in the front. Float. By the way, I'll ship you an invisible cookie if you get it correct. Invisible cookie, okay? I don't want any complaints. Invisible cookie, invisible letter. So it's basically not even anything, if that's your question. I spent all day designing this boat, and it's probably not even gonna work. Knowing my first attempts. Oh! But yeah, it's not gonna work. You know why? I can't turn. Sometimes I just think I'm dumb. Rudder. I bet you could not. I forgot a double D. I'm gonna try again. Judy's. That was kinda quick. Why did I give myself an extra rudder? Life makes no sense anymore. Why is my name the Masked Tiger? Life makes no sense. You thought I was gonna tell you my name, didn't you? You really thought you got fooled by the Tiger Squad. I've probably been recording for like, what, 30 minutes? 15, really? Oh, I've been playing for probably around 30 minutes. You've been watching for around 15 minutes. It's like a speedboat. Oh, crap. It's like a oh, crap. It's like a speed crap. You gotta say crap real quick. Speed crap. That's the catch. Visit up. Visit up. I don't know how to pronounce any of that darn stuff. This is a legitimate speedboat. Speedboats. Too fast speedboat. Too fast speedboat. No, I'm going to die. Return to workbench. Too fast. Thought I was going to die there. There's no saves. I probably mentioned this before, but there's no saves in this game. You can't like, oh no, that happened. Let me just go back to a save. It's not like a long drive. You can't just be like, oh, let me quickly go back to my save. That's not how this works. Especially in career mode. Career mode's basically just hardcore by itself. But you can set the respawn to 0, which is what I did for hardcore. You don't actually go in hardcore. There is no hardcore. You just set the respawn to 0. Oh my gosh. I don't think I need these side ones. Just, that. I literally have weight in the front too. This is sad. I'm just gonna landing float spam. Oh, I hit the wrong thing. That would have been faster than anyone in the world. I actually don't know if that would have been faster than anyone in the world. That's probably not even a world record. Well, there's world records of crazy stuff. Like, literally, there's a world record of a bunny dunking a basketball. Like, 40 times in a minute. Which I think is kind of awesome. A lot of people think it's just dumb. I could get my cat to dunk a basketball. You want to see that? That'd make me famous. That'd make me get 13 subscribers to 1 million subscribers. That'd probably not be. That's not how it works. Why is the light on? Who's wasting my power? ZZ snooze 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 ZZ snooze snooze snazoo snazooze. Oh, wake up early in the morning. Hopefully it's not thunderstorming like it always is. Oh, it's actually, this is nice weather. It's really windy though. Like, look at the waves. Oh, my ship is probably capsized. The ship that stuck out is probably capsized by now. Oh, it's a steady boy. I don't know if I can do a rescue mission like this though. No. I hit a rock. It's every time I just hit something. It's the waves. You have to time it with the waves. Take me, waves. Oh, crap. Oh. Spawning it underwater, the tide went up. I didn't know the game did that. Stable. Stabilize. Wait, I have to make my eyes stable? How do you do that? No, you ding dong. I don't think that's from a show. Which is why I said it. Now this thing floats. By the way, don't just spam landing floats. I'm just trying to make this quick, okay? If you play this game, do not spam landing floats. It's a good solution for like half a second. Oh, that wave just ditched me. I can't turn because the waves are too hard. Wait, I'm gonna get stuck out with this one too. I was just at the point where I could have returned that thing to workbench too. I think I'm gonna have to sleep again to where it's not. Hopefully my boat has. You know what's funny? I just sleep for like a year and it's still like thunderstorming. That would be very sad. Also funny. Channel would probably like it. Okay, good. Lights not on. Easy, 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 easy. It's still that windy out now. It's raining. And it's, if anything, in an even worse position. Hold on very tight, buddy. Also, what the heck is this? Oh, that was a bird. You scared the crap out of me. Oh, that thing is gonna capsize any moment now. Sleep. No, I'm so afraid it's gonna be like so far. I don't care. I'm sorry. I can't. Airport. Oh, at a from an airport to a hospital. Where is that? That sounds like a fun. Oh, it's all the way at this. I can't go all the way out there. That sounds like a fun mission though. Maybe the waves are better. The waves are better. That's all I'm saying. The waves are better. The wind's at a better position to push me along. The boat. Oh, that thing's gonna capsize some way. I had to let a little bit of water in so I could open the door and get out. Because trust me, I would not be just sitting there the whole time. I got out. Okay, the waves kind of carry me now. The wind and the waves will carry me. Wind and the waves will set me free. I honestly don't think this one rudder is even working. More rudders. More! I can also probably remove all of these things. I was just being angry. Rudder! Wee. A and D. Hopefully that's better. Cause my boat depends on it. This literally did nothing. That did nothing. You know how many I'm going to probably have to stick? It's the landing floats, I told you. Landing floats aren't the best solution to everything. A lot of times they're good solutions, but not always. It's making me steer less. So what am I gonna do? Remove most of the landing floats and make it look good. And make connection of it look good. Because we all like stuff looking good. I'd be very surprised if you don't like stuff looking good. I mean, like, stuff looking good. It's just like stuff looking good. Oh, I know those rudders aren't working because I didn't connect them to electricity. I'm a ding dong. There should be a connect all to electricity button. Rudder. Oh, they're all not connected to electricity. Life is kind of dumb. Why the heck? How is, like, waves getting creative inside of this dock? Like, is there a wave machine back there? I don't think so. Come on! Okay, this thing kind of turns now until it gets caught. I'm gonna catch up with you guys when I get a good launch. Okay, this is a good launch. Throttle down. Throttle down. The waves will carry me. This thing accelerates. It's those gearboxes I added. Yeah, it does that on the waves. This thing could be a certified speedboat. Okay. Need this thing to turn. I don't know if this is safe, but I'm doing it. I'm rescuing this boat one way or another. And right now that's by attaching it to 2 winches. Sounds really easy, but this is actually kind of hard getting it to cooperate with me. No, I'm not going to die like this. I'm not going to die like this. Did you just hear me? Oh, I'm so close. Luck, I don't think ropes, actually no, ropes do snap if you put too much tension on them. In this game. In real life, too. I'm going to die by the rudders. The rudders are going to get me. That's how I died on my private, not recorded one. Hardcore. Go out. Oh, those should have killed me. Right there. And I should have died right there, too. Maybe this game likes me. Attach to that one. Let the wave pass. Attach. Don't let the engine burn out. You're coming with me, buddy. Wave. I can't turn. And the engine's doing that thing again. Oh, it's the battery, isn't it? The battery's not getting charged. And it's too late to go back. Alright, shut up, Gabriel. Never mind. Wait. This is pointed straight at the island. No, no. I don't want to flood the boat. Go, go. No, close, close. I'm going to flood it. I'm going to flood it. Fool. We're taking this baby home. One way or another. Come on. Just need to get that sweet thing saying, return to workbench. It's sweet, so sweet, I want it. I'm glad glass can't break in this game, because I would be dead. I am literally trapped. It's like as soon as I get in it, it doesn't want to turn the way I need it to turn. The battery's producing stuff. Fuel is good. Our speed is decreasing. We're still getting closer and closer, and we're taking the other boat with us. Return the workbench! The other boat's still out there, but who cares? We have this. I'm gonna exit. Yes. Where's the other boat? Did it get taken away? Oh, since they were connected by ropes, they both came. Oh, I'm gonna have to end it today. Right there. But Oh, I am so grateful to have all of my money back. And to be honest with you, I kind of think I might just try out this preset helicopter and put landing floats on it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is the Stingray. I would be in, yeah, I can't load it. But I would be far in the negatives. Oh, this is my submarine, but it's also too large for the area. Oh, this might... I made an escape pod for something. I could have a little submarine. I would go on that, but I'm probably gonna lose it. S+R. Oh, that is my submersible. Oh, I could do this. So this is my amphibious craft I made. Wow, a lot of my stuff I could actually use. That's cool. And this is amphibious. I made spaceships, and I made whatever you call it. I made a thingy, and I tried making a rocket ship, I think. Oh yeah, I made an advanced bomber. I made a lot of stuff. Oh, this is my military boat I was working on. I made a tank, a basketball. And this is what I call the killer whale. It's my spacecraft I made. Wow, my helicopter. This is what I would have done to the helicopter if I placed it here. I would have done this, so it can take me out. I don't know, I might actually use this helicopter. Well, let's see, how long have I been recording? I'll determine from how long I've been recording. Yeah, I think I'll try it. I don't know if I should be doing this. I have to get, the challenge is actually getting in it before the waves take it out. That's what the challenge is here. And actually, the challenge is not dying, so we're actually not going to do that. I made a car, a plane. Oh, I remember that. A tank, a helicopter. Just Y. The destroyer, the pain plane, the pain pack, the pain car. Why was I obsessed with pain? And the wall. Yes, the destroyer. It was a bunch of machine guns. It was the only thing I knew how to operate at the time on the weapons machine guns. This is a bunker I made. Seems nice. My little me. Whoa. I think I will, see you next time. And, as always, stay hungry.